This guide provides detailed instructions for airline customer support agents using the GitHub Dev application. From selecting an agent to accessing different sections and features, this guide ensures a smooth training experience. Choose an agent from the list. Access the flight customer service section. Enter your message in the text field. Fill in hi. Navigate to the specified location. Select the hi option. Access the events section. View the welcome message. Select the request option. Choose the response tab. Close the window. Access the state section. Open the artifacts menu. Select the sessions option. Click on the specified date and time. Select the eval option. Access the trace section. Enter a message in the text field. Enter I want to book flight Delhi to Goa during last week of June. List all flights in the provided field. Navigate to the specified location. Access the events section. Access the state section. Access the events section. View the welcome message. Select the specified option. Select the specified option. Select the specified option. Select the specified option. Close the window. The guide covered essential actions for airline customer support agents on GitHub Dev, including navigating sections, sending messages, viewing messages, and managing requests.